So hello everyone, we are back with another tutorial, and today we will talk about how to add a sample pack to our FL Studio library. And this is a really easy one and a quick one. So it is essential that you have your samples organized over here. I have made a folder for mine called sample database where I keep all my samples. Or say you have just downloaded a sample pack and now you want to add it to your FL Studio. The easiest way is to just drag that sample pack into FL Studio and drop it onto this window, and there you have it. Now this sample pack is a free sample pack that I just made. It has all samples, 11 of them. And if you ask me why 11, even I don't know. I hope you like the sounds of this. It's a free sample pack and you have the link in the description, so just go and check it out. And thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And that's it for this one. Thank you. Bye bye.